Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to restore database from backup in MySQL Server. Let's go ahead and take a look here. First of all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take the backup of test database in the directory called MySQL backup test.sql. Okay, that's where I will take the backup. And now I have already provided the username and password, and I will be using MySQL dump. Let's go to the Linux box there and clear the screen and run this command. And now the backup is ready. Okay, so test.sql is ready for us, and if I go to the server here, and in the test we can see we have tables, different tables right here, so I can do one thing. I can go ahead and drop this database first, and then we will restore. Okay, that database is gone, or that schema is gone. Now what we need to do here, we need to understand the restore part of it. So we have to say MySQL, then have to say username, and provide whatever the username you're using, dash user, and dash password equal to password, and then provide the database name to which you would like to restore. And here's the path of the backup file. Okay, so in our case, we would like to restore to the test database, and our file is already there. It's in the MySQL backup directory, and name of the file is test.sql. So I'm going to copy this and run it and see if it works. Okay. So it is saying test DB does not exist. So, okay, what we have to do, we have to create the database first. So I'm going to go ahead and say create database or create schema in the test DB. Okay, run the script. Now the test DB is available. Trying to refresh. Okay. This database is created, but still it's not giving me the somehow the Workbench is not giving me in, the refresh button here. So let's see. Just wanna try to make it refresh somehow. Okay, still I'm not getting the refresh button on top of here. So I want to close it, and I will show you in the MySQL login. I will log in there and show you. Go ahead and run this script again, and now it is restoring. Okay, so that's great. We can go to the MySQL directly instead of going to the Workbench. So MySQL-u root-p, and provide the password for that. Okay, show databases. That will show us the databases, and here is our test DB. I will go ahead and say use test DB, show tables, and we can see that all different tables are created. Okay, that's how you will restore our database from the backup file. So you will say MySQL, and then have to provide the user, provide the password, and now you have to create the empty container, empty database, or a schema first, and then provide the file path, and this is less than sign. So you have to say that, okay, I want to put this backup file into the test database, okay, or any database you would like to. All right, thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.